Hello, today I'm going to take you through these few things are here. You see this part and the other part. It is being called children safety rock. Children safety rock. Child brain rock. Its uses. When you put it downward here, the door cannot be opened from inside. The door cannot be opened from inside, but it can be only opened only outside. It can be only opened from outside. But if you pull this rock upward here, it means you can open either inside or when you are outside. So you can open both where you are inside and outside. So here it is child rock. Here it can be opened from both sides. When you put it here, it helps you. It helps your child from opening the door. The door cannot be opened when the this rock is here at the child rock, which cannot be opened from inside. It cannot be opened from inside and it can only be opened from outside. So ukiweka haka karok hapa chini inamaanisha umeweka child lock, na hii mlango haiwezi kafunguliwa ukiwa side ya ndani ya gari, lakini ukipeleka hapa juu, hapa mlango inaweza kafunguliwa side ya ndani na nje. So it is been called child safety lock ama child brain lock, which cannot be opened while you are inside the vehicle if you have this lock is here at the child lock. So but when it is here, it can be opened from inside and outside. So it is being called child safety lock. Child safety lock, and it is looks like that. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe if you are watching and you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel at Christopher Mutei, Mutei. Thank you so much.